Gabi ng Misteryo.
Mga ka-adventure, ka-misteryo, okay, this time, biglang dumating isang Venusian. Venusians are those beings from Venus. They are beautiful beings. And mas closer sila sa atin because they are here sa ating solar system. And they are our neighbors. So a being from there, ayoko maniwala, but when I ask his name, kung anong pangalan niya, siya raw si Orthon. Orthon was a Venusian being who met George Adamski in 1952. Well, now I asked him earlier that kumusta na si George Adamski. And sabi nila si George Adamski daw ay kasama nila ngayon. I don't know kung kaya ko siyang makausap si George, but this time I will try. I will talk to the Venusian, and he is with me right now. Okay, baba ko dito. All right, then let's do this. Naka-on yung makina sa sakyan mo. Naka-aircon ako. Mga past na mga interviews ko sa mga VET beings, naka-off yung makina. So this time naka-on. Alright, good evening, Sir Orton, if you're the real Orton. Yes, good evening, Ray. How are you? I'm good, sir. How are you too? And okay ba kayo? And you arrived from Venus. Ano bang importanteng dapat naming malaman from beings in Venus? Marami dapat malaman, Ray. And I would also want to greet all human beings, all human Earth humans, with a beautiful night. Well, it's night here in your country, in your region, right? And beautiful day in other countries because you have different time zones. I would like to tell everyone that we are very happy that we have here, and we are here communicating with Ray and trying to relay our message to humans through his program, through his social media accounts. And I know that all of this will be aired, will be distributed, will be heard, and everyone will listen. I hope so. Well, I also hope that everyone will listen and everyone will believe, but we are not imposing here that you believe, itong mga fans natin, itong mga listeners natin, viewers natin, hindi natin kayo pinipilit na maniwala, but I think for me, I would suggest that even if we don't believe they exist, even if we don't believe that I am communicating with them, I think the most important here to believe is the message, right? The message. So we have to believe the message. Maybe these messages makakatulong na malaki to sa atin. All right? So what are the messages you want to tell us? I would like to tell everyone that we in Venus are very, very much thank you to all of you, and we are here to help you. We would like to always send our love, energies to all of you. We would like to inspire everyone to be good, do good, and feel good. And we would like to tell everyone that you have to pray. Keep praying. Keep meditating. And with those method of your belief system could connect to all beings, not only beings on earth, but all beings from the universe. Okay, so yun ba yung key? Tinatagalog ko na. I know you can understand also Tagalog, Sir Arthur. Yes, we understand Tagalog. But for the sake of those listeners and viewers from other countries, we want to express our ideas or our messages in English. Maybe we can also speak in Tagalog, like, ano ba ang nangyayari sa mundong ito? Ano nga ba nangyayari sa mundong ito? Maraming nangyayari sa mundong ito, sa inyong ginagalawang mundo. So, kaya gumagawa kami ng paraan to tell you guys that we are here ready to help. In what way that you want to help us? We are also helping every human beings to recover from any depression. Ganun ba? Yes. Most of you on earth are depressed of what's going on the planet. Okay, so what are you doing to help us? We are sending energies from our planet. You know, Venus is extracting and sending energies to you all on Earth. So di namin nakikita, you cannot see the energies, right? So, but you can feel it, especially if there are astronomical events happening in the universe, in your solar system, our solar system. Okay. Are you telling us about alignments of planets? Yes. Alignment of planets are very important to all of us, not only you, but to all of us on the solar system, because it gives us more energies from the sun, our brother sun, the center of energies in the solar system. Okay. So if we receive energies from the sun, from brother sun, what will happen? Well, you will always have your hopes in your lives. You always have the bright side of your mind. It gives hope, it gives love. It also gives you more strength to face the challenges in your lives. Okay. So now, do you foresee any problem? Maybe you can tell us in advance what could happen in the future of the human beings. Well, we are forbidden to tell you what will happen in the future, but we would like to tell you that you have to always prepare, that you have to be always believe in God, in your God, in our God. Your God is also our God, so we always have one God at all. So, sa pagdarasal yun. Yes, pagdarasal, and also meditation. And also, you want to be with your loved ones, to be your fellow. You have to always communicate with them. Alright. And you always want to be loved, and you have to love everyone. So, what is happening right now is this part of the process to ascend to fifth dimension. Everyone and everything is happening is all part of the process, so you cannot control it, but you only want to flow, to go with the flow, to the normal flow. You don't have to oppose the flow of the ascension. Okay, medyo pagod na yung aking lalamunan, yung aking bibig. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Orton. Ayun yun ang matawag na prince or king whatsoever. Yes, I prefer to be called Orton. That's all. No more, no less. Maybe any parting word? Any message? Last message? Well, human beings, we love you so much. We are always with you, and we will never tire to help you. We'll never be like that. I would always want to tell everyone that love is the key to all. Love, that's love. That's why in Venus, we always love one another, and we want to project the love to everyone else in the universe, especially on Earth. Be safe, and you know you have to love your planet. Save the planet, plant more trees, and always ground yourself to the planet. You know, Gaia, or the spirit of the Earth, is always responding to all of your mind, of your ideas, of whatever you're thinking. Thank you so much, Ray, for this opportunity. Welcome po. And we will be talking again. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, that's it. That's, wow, 11 minutes din. Alam po ninyo, mayroon lang problema. Pag masyado nang matagal yung conversation, nakakangawit dito sa bibig. So, kaya humingi na ako ng paumanhin. I have to cut the conversation. Thank you so much to our Venusian visitor. And I know they're there. And they're here. You're here, right? Yan. Look at the bibig ka. Nakakonect pa. Okay, salamat sa ating mga ka-adventurers, sa ating mga ka-misteryo. Hindi ko sinasabi na paniwalaan po ninyo, but I think, yung nga, kung ano yung mensahe, yun ang mahalaga sa lahat. Yung mensahe ho sa ating lahat. Regardless kung sino yung tinakausap, I'm sure that they are real, totoo sila, and the messages are very important. So, yan. I-feature po natin to sa ating program sa Gabi ng Misteryo on Saturday. Thank you so much. And ito ay matutungayan nyo sa ating YouTube channel, Ray T. Sibayan Adventures, and also sa ating mga Facebook pages, Ray T. Sibayan Adventures, and sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Okay? Stay healthy, stay safe, let's love one another, and peace be all of us. Namaste. See you.
Gabi ng Misteryo.